Ashwin, you can hear me? You can start sharing, but
Yeah.
until I'm able to see your code, um, so can you look at the main? When you called,
Okay.
when you created a Tardies class, and you created two
Yeah.
methods, get summary report and
Yeah.
insert
The
data.
student data. Yeah.
Yes, this student data. So you
Yeah.
called them, you created an object name, and you call it Tardies, and you said Tardies dot get summary or Tardies dot set data.
Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
how you
So
call a method inside the class, right?
I should do the same for this, right?
Yes, exactly the same. It
So I
is
should
just
do
that,
like,
yeah,
but for student this is different, right? If I want to call this, if I want to call this, don't I need to make this, right?
I
For
still didn't.
student this?
You have to explain
Oh,
because I cannot see your screen. So
like in the main, before I did Tardies dot whatever, I did the Tardies equals new Tardies, right?
it's true,
So I need to
but
do
we
same thing.
replace that. No, we don't need to do
Okay.
that because we don't need. We actually don't need to create a new student. What we need to do here. So see, in this case, we don't need to create. I already see your screen. So we don't need to
Okay.
create a new student because we already have a student. So we take the
Right.
student out of this list and we put it inside here. But we can still use S1. So now S1 has the student that is already inside the list. The first student inside the list, we have it here. So we can go call, you see, he already mentions the name, the method
Yeah.
name for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So
but
what
print it
happens?
out. Print it out
Oh yeah.
because you will never see it.
So I just need to put this in a
Yes, exactly.
statement, uh, like that. Yeah, I put two, right? Okay. So,
Mm-mm.
minus, minus 10, 9, 10. Okay. That's
So you
good. Now
printed
I
10 and
need,
5, right?
yeah. So now I
So
need sum.
yes, how to sum them? Yes.
How to sum? Because it's looping. So I need to now make sure I take the value out, right?
Yes, printing is only for showing on the screen, but at the end of the day, we need to put it inside a variable.
So how do I do that now? That's a problem.
Not really. So the summing algorithm is fixed. We always create
Yeah.
something called sum 0.
Yeah,
And
that,
then
yeah.
we also use sum
Well, that I
plus
will need to
equal
create it outside.
num.
Wait, sum plus equal none.
So num is a saying that you always want to keep. So if you have a list of numbers, if num equal a list like 1, 2, 3, so
Right, I see. So now I just need num to have this. So how do I get num to store this value?
mm, is it difficult?
Tech, no, technically, can I
This
just,
this return an integer, most probably.
do this?
Yes, why not?
Then this print statement, just put it down here.
But did you define num? Okay, perfect. You already
Yeah,
defined it.
yeah.
Yes.
Why here and now?
He said variable get Tardies. Why he considered a variable? When you remove the brackets from something, he
Oh,
considered a variable, not a method
I
anymore.
forgot the bracket. Yeah. Okay. I
Yes, but
didn't.
print the sum. You should print the sum actually.
Yeah. I don't need to print this, right? The
You
get
don't need to.
tardies.
No, you just sum enough.
Okay. I need to type everything. Okay, and then uh-huh.
Why it printed 2 times?
Oh, because it's looping. Okay. So I want it to print now outside the
Outside, yes, correct.
yeah. And here, oops, here, and then print here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that should work.
Yes.
Yes. And, and then okay.
It's clear now, right?
Yeah.
So his requirement is when he want to get a summary report. The summary report is not only about getting the number of the sum of tardies only, but he want to print every student details. So he want for every student you need to print his first name, last name, and number of tardies, and then at the end you print the sum of tardies.
Is it?
Yes, yes.
I'm
So
looking at the sample here. Oh, you mean after the class summary, the Tardy total 11. Then it
yes,
has here Smith Bill 5, Jones Sarah 2, Sanchez
yes.
1,
So
3.
yes,
Okay. So that's below here. Oh, that's a lot. How do I do that? Okay. So
okay. It's
technically,
easy. Easy.
it's
You
easy.
already get you every
Yeah.
time you loop, you get a student and you get a TARDIS out. So it's not difficult to call the get name and get last name and
Yeah.
to print it
Correct.
in a statement. Am I right? And then at the end,
Yeah.
you can just print the summary.
Yeah. But I need to loop it as well. Right? This also needs to loop
Okay. Aren't you
because
looping here already? Aren't you
yeah.
getting
So I need
the
to
get TARDIS every time?
yeah. So I need to now put it here. Yeah. Now I need to put it here. I'll just call it first. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay. And then put this as get. Is it first? No, it's last name first. So get last. Oh. Oh wait, I need all of this. And get. Okay, perfect. Now I need these to have a value, right? I can't just leave it like that.
You need to store it somehow, somewhere,
Yeah. So let
and
me and then I need to print. Okay, wait. So let
and
me yeah. Like that. I don't know if that would even work. Oh, and I can't use num anymore.
you can
Um,
use it. Why? Who said you can't use it?
because then if I use it here, won't it
Uh-huh.
affect? Oh, it won't
No,
affect.
it
Yeah,
won't
okay.
affect.
So like that,
And
and
my
then
question is why we need to repeat that line 2 times? Num already have this get target,
oh
so
yeah,
we don't need to
yeah.
call it anymore. So we already just need to print num.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. Put it up in the statement. I don't want print line. I want them all in one line. So just actually, I don't even need first, right? Can I just print get first name
Yes,
and print get last
yes,
name?
yes, yes.
Overcomplicating. Okay. Oh, wait. Here. Where else is the problem? Where is that? 48.
What did you forget here? When you put string in addition to,
Oh wait. Oh, I
you need to
forgot the
put a comma
plus.
or plus. Yes. Okay.
I forgot the plus. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This needs print line. And wait. And can I put a comma? Yeah, let me put a comma.
Yes, you can. Why not?
Let me just create this. That. And put a space.
Mm-hmm.
And then paste this here. Just so it looks the same as in there. Okay, so this now and match. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Looks fine. Yeah. But
Yeah.
at the end of the day, this line 45, actually, you can put it also, just put plus here, and
Oh,
you can also put
yeah.
this the same thing here. So yeah, you save more lines. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's good. So let's
Yeah.
move to the next, please.
Okay. Okay. Oh, actually, again, I need to end at 4:30
Oh,
because
really?
of yeah,
Okay.
because I have to go out. I have a meeting.
Okay. So
Yeah.
no problem. We finish
Okay.
now, and then yalla, we continue next class. Okay.
Continue next week. Okay.
Okay.
Next class is Saturday, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay. You too. Bye bye.